Welcome back, my fellow bakers. I'm here to show you how to make the best and easiest pizza dough possible. Let's go. What you need is 2.5 cups of bread flour or all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of instant yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 cup of warm water. Put it in the mixer, mix it up, let it knead for about 7 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once it's done, take the dough out, make sure it's nice and stretchy. As usual, play with the dough a bit, give it a good squeeze, a good stretch. Then you want to cover it with a towel, set it in a warm place for about an hour until it rises. Alright, next come back, take it out, stretch it out, use a rolling pin if you have to. If you don't have a rolling pin, use your hands. And that's it. Simple way to make dough. But I'm going to keep going and show you what I made with that dough, which is this delicious pizza. I stuffed the crust with mozzarella cheese and I added homemade marinara and lots of mozzarella cheese, jalapeno peppers, mushrooms, broccoli, fried sausage, onion and garlic, and some tomatoes. I brushed the crust with melted butter, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil. I put this in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. And what came out was the best pizza I've had in a very long time. Homemade, healthy, and ready to eat.